Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at an OXO SteeL POP container. So let's go ahead and take a look. So over here is an OXO SteeL POP container. This one is of the big square design. And this one has a capacity of 1.4 litres. So it is a food storage container with a stainless steel push-button airtight sealing lid. So just taking a close-up look at the storage container. So it does have a smoked plastic body, which is BPA-free or bisphenol A-free, which is also recyclable. So you can see that the container is quite tall and does have a symmetrical or square design to it. And on the underside, you can see that it does have 4 nubs that make up the feet of the container. And it's also part of the modular or stackable design, so you can always stack the containers on top of one another. And just to give you some idea right there, looking at the paper insert, so the foodstuffs that you can store in the container. And just to give you some idea of that thick plastic body and the finishing of that brushed stainless steel lid. So you can see the very fine detail right there of the stainless steel lid with that fine brushing right across, and the OXO branding as well. So the lid is made from stainless steel and has this push button handle that also acts to seal or release the lid from its body. And taking a look inside just to give you some idea of the depth and the lid as well, you can see it does have a silicone gasket that provides the airtight seal that works with that push button action that forms part of the lid. It's right there, pressing down, and you can see that action of the base plate and assembly extending and compressing with the push of that button on top. So right there, giving you a close-up look at the details of this OXO SteeL POP container. Just tapping on the lid, just to give you some idea. It does have a cool sensation to the lid, being made from stainless steel. And of course, that base plate right there, and the silicone gasket or seal. So that's the lid. Let's set it down and just release that push button at the top, and just taking a look directly inside the body of the container. And let's slide out the paper insert with some product literature. And let's see if we can unfurl it just to give you some more details and information with the included product literature that's on this OXO SteeL POP Container. So giving you a close-up look at the details right there. And right there. And an inside of the insert. Some other sizes in which the pop container comes in. And disassembly instructions, should you want to pop it into the dishwasher. And other information right there. So reference details right there for your OXO SteeL POP Container. So I'm just going to set that product literature down on the right hand side of the frame. And then giving you another look, but this time around you can see the slightly smoked or dark body of the container. And it does have these rounded corners which make pouring easy. So giving you a look as to the thickness of the plastic body and popping that lid onto the container, and it can go in any orientation, and pushing down on that round push button provides the seal, that airtight seal for the food container right there. So very simple operation, one-handed with the lid and push button handle. So giving you a simple demonstration right there. Very easy to operate and seal, you can see, creating that suction and vacuum, which is airtight, to provide your foodstuffs with extended longevity. So very simple and elegant design for a food storage container that has an airtight sealing mechanism, which is so easy to operate right there with that simple push button handle. So giving you a nice detailed look, trying to get my fingers out of the way so you can have maximum viewing pleasure right there. So press that round or circular push button handle. Okay, so right there, sealing and unsealing and lifting off that stainless steel lid cover. Giving you another look. I'm just going to rest it in my palm there just to give you some idea of this 1.4 litre capacity steel pop container. So that's the OXO SteeL POP Container. Thanks for watching and happy storing!